Hi there! In this video I'll show you how to use Sheetgo's cash flow template in Google Sheets. It's ideal for small businesses and teams, or anyone looking for a simple way to automate financial management in their company. The template combines your receipts and payments data to automatically generate a cash flow statement, helping you monitor the money that comes in and goes out for your company or department. And unlike a standard spreadsheet template, the Sheetgo workflow template consists of 3 separate but connected Google Sheets files, and data flows between them via Sheetgo connections. These Sheetgo connections allow you to transfer data between different files, so this means that you can create your own cash flow system without any specialist software, just spreadsheets. A spreadsheet-based system is also very scalable. If you use spreadsheets to manage other parts of your business, such as accounting or sales, you can simply add them to this workflow to create an integrated financial management system. Of course, we all know when you're handling financial data, you need a secure and accurate, reliable system. Giving multiple people access to the same file can lead to errors and the file getting too big and heavy. So a workflow with separate files is much lighter to process and gives you more reliable information. This is especially important for cash flow monitoring, because receipts and payments are recorded separately in designated spreadsheets that are used for that task only. So how does it work? The Sheetgo cash flow workflow consists of 3 separate Google Sheets files, as mentioned before. There's a spreadsheet to track receipts in, the money coming in, and also a spreadsheet to track your payments, the money going out. And the third spreadsheet included in this template is the cash flow master sheet. This spreadsheet gives the manager an overview of the company's cash balance in a series of automated dashboards, reports, and charts. Okay, now let's take a look at how to set up the cash flow system. To install the template, simply click on the link in the video description below, and it will take you to Sheetgo's web application where you can sign in using your Google account. So let's do so. There we go. You can now install the template by clicking on this green Use Template button. Sheetgo will now create copies of this cash flow template in your personal Google Drive and create the connections between the files. Your copy of the template opens inside Sheetgo, so that means that you can work inside the spreadsheets and at the same time edit the workflow right here. But if you need more space to work in the spreadsheets, then you simply close the side panel by dragging this sliding bar to the right. There we go. We're now in the cash flow master sheet, as you can see. And this spreadsheet contains 5 tabs. We're now in the instructions tabs where you'll find the steps to set up the template, and here you also need to start by filling out the start date and the start balance of your cash flow. The next tab in this spreadsheet is the cash flow analysis, as you can see right here. Per month you'll see your cash balance and your receivables and payables. Then the next tab is the monthly cash flow chart. Here you have a nice visual overview of how your cash balance is doing and how many payables and receivables you have. This cash flow monitor is an automated dashboard, so you don't need to edit anything in this tab. In the final 2 tabs, the receipts analysis and payments analysis, you can see the exact sums of money that the company has spent and received with a breakdown per product and service. So the same for the payments, as you can see right here. And then there's also some hidden tabs in this template. These are the 2 connected tabs from your receipts and payments inputs, so these flow automatically inside this spreadsheet with Sheetgo connections. The template then uses the data from these tabs to calculate the cash balance in these analysis sheets. So far for the master sheet, let me now open the workflow again and open the receipts spreadsheet. This is where your colleague or colleagues will record the money coming into the company. This could be sales revenue or bank loans, for example. And to share this spreadsheet with the person or people responsible to monitor receipts, you just click on Edit in New. And the spreadsheet will open in a new tab in your browser. And here you can simply use Google Sheets Share button to give that person or people responsible edit access to this specific spreadsheet. But let me go back to the workflow to show you the rest. There we go. Let's close this. And then you'll also have some instructions and then the receipts input tab. As you can see, there's some sample data right here to just show you how it works. So you can remove this and then start filling out your own receipts from your company. The input date, the client name, invoice number, the amount and the amount you received and when. And then of course for what kind of product it was and from what kind of product category. And some additional notes if you like to add something. So that's simply how to fill out our receipts spreadsheet. And then I'll show you the payments. Just like the receipts spreadsheet, you can share this spreadsheet with your colleagues responsible for payments. This can be administration, HR, or procurement staff, for example. And you simply need to delete the sample data that's here and fill out your own. That's it. That's simply how to fill out your cash flow template. Once your colleagues have inputted receipts and payments, you want that information to flow into your cash flow master sheet, of course. To do so, you click on Run right here. It will update the connections coming from these two input sheets. But of course, if you do not want to do this manually every time you want up-to-date information in your dashboard, you click on Automate right here and you can schedule automatic updates. If you have other finance managers working on this workflow, needing to see the cash balance of the company, you simply share the entire cash flow workflow with them right here. That's how to get started with Sheetgo's cash flow workflow template. If you need help with the template or you want a customized finance system, simply book a meeting with our experts via the link in the description below. And if you're working alone and you do not need this complete workflow system, we also have this cash flow template in a single spreadsheet file. I'll put the link to copy that template in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas and templates. Thank you.